Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by removing external stressors, case, SD card, and SIM so the screen can be evaluated cleanly. Once done, force restart the phone by holding power and volume down for 10-15 seconds to clear temporary firmware glitches. If static persists, boot into safe mode or recovery to separate apps from system issues. This tells you whether a third-party app or the display driver is responsible. Make sure to watch for flicker patterns during these reboots to guide next steps. Once in safe mode, observe the screen. If static disappears, an app is guilty. If it remains, system-level or hardware issues are likely. Make sure to check settings right arrow system for Android updates and any available display driver updates, because outdated drivers often cause artifacting. Next, uninstall recently added apps or clear their cache and data via App Info. This removes corrupted app states while preserving most of your settings. Keep checking the screen after each change to isolate the cause. You now move to final remedies. Back up your data, then perform a factory reset to eliminate persistent software corruption. This often resolves driver-level glitches. If static continues, power down and inspect visible connectors. Minor pressure or loose display cables can cause static. Make sure to try an external display if available, because a working external screen points to an internal panel fault. If that test fails or you're under warranty, contact repair service. Professional diagnosis or replacement is the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.